Washing a trash can is a nasty chore. You can wash it perfectly, but the moment wet waste like food scraps goes back in, the mess and the smell return. So we developed a simple 5-step system that takes only 1 to 2 minutes of your time per week to keep your bin clean. Step 1, get a bin bag holder to double bag and stop the wet waste you throw in from getting out and spreading everywhere. This one's called BagEZ. Step 2, use a trusted and tested plastic or compostable bag from 13 gallons onwards that you know does not leak. I prefer using mint-scented bags for extra odor and pest control. Step 3, sprinkle 1 to 2 tablespoons of baking soda and diatomaceous earth over food waste to absorb liquids, reduce rotting smells, and avoid maggots. Step 4, after garbage pickup, spray your empty bin with a sanitizer and deodorizer to kill germs before placing BagEZ back in the bin. Step 5, attach a small pouch of mint or herbs that give off a smell that animals and insects dislike to reduce the odors that attracts them to your cans. And that's it. These 5 easy steps will keep your trash cans clean all year long without messy washes. If this video helped you, please like and share. It really supports the channel. To learn more, visit bagez.com and stop washing your trash can the hard way.